Peace. Peace to the civilized people. Peace to the gods of Earth. You know what I mean? You know, we can see a building adding on. See mathematics. It's of course culture. You know what I'm saying? Part of stuff, like I say, understanding. Understanding is to see. How do we see? We see with the third eye, which is the all-seeing eye, or what we call the mind. I keep pointing to the brain, or to the center of the brain, which is the pineal gland. But we all know that the mind is infinite, and everything that exists is life, 360 degrees. So we understand the equality of the cipher. All things that exist for a reason. You know, a lot of times we may not understand the reasons of why things exist, but they exist, and thus they be a life. Life is eternal. Life is existence. Existence is all, everything. Like I said before, 360 degrees. So when we out here, we build and we add it on, we must acknowledge the fact that everything is real. Had it not been real, it wouldn't exist. Now, a person may say, well, what is your definition of real? What is real? You know, real is actual existence. Not everything that actually exists is quote unquote keeping it real or keeping it in the state of its original existence. Like black people, for example, we are the original people, but a lot of us are not acting how the original people acted as far as being righteous and civilized. A lot of us are acting uncivilized and wicked, which is the opposite of righteous, you know. So when I say everything is real, I mean everything is what it is. And being in the day and age and the time that we're living in, things may be in its altered or manipulated state that it's in, but that's still real because, like, you be like, really? You really did that? Are you really, things really like this? Yeah, it really is. It really is. So that's what I mean by everything is real. Like, everything is, you know? So I see that with my third eye. I see that with my mind, you know, to understand that, you know, as I live in my life, I'm not going to base it upon the things that really don't mean anything or the things that are really not beneficial, you know, intellectually, spiritually, you know, economically, socially in my life. You know what I mean? Do away with the nonsense and just build on prosperous things. You know, things that are not bringing you prosperity or things that are not bringing you upliftment in your life. You know, do away with it. And, you know, find a way to uplift yourself on a positive level. And with that, I'm going to say,